Mona Lisa Group Company Limited was founded in 1992 in Foshan City, China, which is the largest ceramic production area in the world. Leading technology, superior manufacturing, and customers' trust is the core competitiveness which makes Mona Lisa take its place in the front ranks of the world ceramic industry. So far, Mona Lisa has more than 400 sales outlets in 87 countries and regions abroad, providing thoughtful and convenient services for hundreds of millions of consumers around the world. Mona Lisa is well known to its green manufacturing and energy saving. Its products include traditional polished tiles, rustic tiles, porcelain panels, sintered stones, etc. Mona Lisa can provide hundreds of products with different technologies and designs in size 800 by 800 millimeters, 600 by 600 millimeters, and even smaller size, covering almost all the best-selling categories in the global market for customers' choices. The porcelain panel is one of Mona Lisa's main products, and Mona Lisa is the first enterprise in China with independent R&D and production capacity of porcelain panel size 1,800 millimeters and above. The size of Mona Lisa porcelain panels contains 1,600 by 3,600 millimeters, 1,200 by 2,400 millimeters, and 900 by 1,800 millimeters. Available in thickness of 5.5 millimeters, 10.5 millimeters, 13.5 millimeters, and 15.5 millimeters. There are various designs and colors, from marble design to wood design and fabric design. Mona Lisa sintered stone is very hot in the market at present. Its professional manufacturing technology, excellent product design, and stable physical performance make Mona Lisa sintered more suitable for cutting and processing. They can be applied in cabinet table, furniture, wall cladding, etc. With beautiful and generous effect, it is easier to maintain. You can enjoy a better life in this comfortable space. With more than 20 years of continuous ceramic technology development and manufacturing, the superior quality and diversified products enable Mona Lisa tiles to meet various decoration needs of customers from different regions, such as Asia, America, Europe, Africa. The annual production capacity of 80 million square meters, the number is still increasing, can fully meet the needs of different customers. The professional service team enables customers in every corner of the world to get satisfactory services. The combination of these factors makes Mona Lisa continue to hold the lead in the market. Mona Lisa has production lines all imported from Italy. Using 36,000-ton press machine, putting green manufacturing in a significant position of the enterprise management, striving to make efforts to protect the environment, Mona Lisa is determined to become a customer-satisfied and world-leading professional tile brand. Thank you for your choice.